Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial Expert. In this video I'm going to show you the best export settings for Photoshop in 2023. Now, as you can see, I have this specific image that I want to export, and it's really important what kind of content you want to share. If you want to share this with social media, you want to share it like a banner or a wallpaper or in a resolution for an iPhone, or if you just want to share this image as a file in an email. Now, sometimes when you have a great photo like this, if you export it the wrong way, it can lose a lot of its quality. So let me show you how you can export it with the maximum settings. So what you want to do is go top left, click on File, and then click on Export. Then what you want to do is click on Export As. Then you're going to get this window. Now you can do PNG. PNGs are actual images like logos or things like that that need a transparent background. But since this is an image with everything and it doesn't need to be transparent, what you actually want to do is click on this and make sure the quality is high. If the maximum number is not 7 for you, just drag it all the way to the right. Take a look on the left side, you're going to see file size of this image. If I reduce it to the low, it's going to be 87 kilobytes and it will lose quality. If I get it back to 7, it's going to have 862 and the quality is back. When it comes to these settings, I wouldn't play around with it because that's the original file and the original size, so you don't want to touch it. If you do, there's a possibility that the image will lose quality. What you can do is play with this canvas size because it will just shrink it and increase it and do whatever, but it won't change the original size and quality. Here, if you created your own image, you can add copyright and contact information, but if not, you can just click on None. And next you have color space, the convert to sRGB and embed color profile. Now you can turn this off, but I recommend you that you have them turned on because it will improve the visuals of your photo. Once you've done here, you can click on export and then just click save. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like, a comment and subscribe.